right. Oh, as I mentioned, I didn't speak because didn't feel like it sometime. But anyway, you want to push this button right there and pull it out. Wiggle it left and right, and pull it out. They all the same. Even the antenna, see right there, just press that, press the tap, press that again and just pull it out. Simple. And then you wanna, there's two wires that look almost the same. One of them's like round the edge, one of them like a square. This is around the edge. Mounting kit I'll be using, it would be 956511 because it's got a double DIN, or one of these right there is the same model. And then for the antenna adapter, I'm going to use one of the 40 EU10. And then for the factory radio harness, I use this model right there instead, SOOCR26. The price a little bit less. You gonna open the package up. You want to look at DDR right, or means right side. So you want to put this on the right side right here, and then you want the left side right there put on here, and then you're gonna flip it on the side like this, and then just put the screw that came with the radio. And this case right here, they got 4 screws right there. I'm gonna put 2 on each side right here. Make sure this one hit right here like that. See? Now this is a harness, aftermarket radio harness. All you have to do is match all the color. You got, you got a few wires that you don't use. You got reverse gear, you got VSS. Just tape them up. And then the reverse end, you don't need all of these things right there, reverse in, reverse out, because you don't have a backup camera. If you have a backup camera, yes, you can install that, but in my case I don't need it. So just wire it up like that. And then this part right there, if it's got amplifier, you plug on the amplifier. If it's non-amplifier, you plug on non-amplifier to the where's that wire at? Right here. The plug right there. It's that green and purple. That's for the rear speakers. Now I'm gonna plug it up, and as you can see, you can hear
inside the family, and you're trying to make heads or tails of what's going on. Absolutely, give us a call. Set up a free 15-minute